Good morning. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. This week I worked on a recipe called a Carpathian Mountain Cake. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like here after I ate some of it. But you can see the mountain view right here going across. I got some of the snow on my finger there. Pretty cool. Actually comes from the European nations. I believe it's a Polish cake. So I found it interesting. It tastes pretty good. You want to see how I make it? Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.